Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a full wash routine including styling. Now my hair has a lot of product buildup due to my wash and go, so I will be using Shea moisture line. I really love this line. For shampoo, I'm going to be using their Jamaican black castor oil. This shampoo is really the best shampoo if you want to get rid of product buildup. It is really good. I've used it all over my natural hair years. I really love this line and I would encourage you to try it out for your hair, especially your 4C low porosity hair. So I'm going to wash my hair. You only need to use just a little bit of this shampoo. Trust me, I just used a little bit, but I see a lot of lather. So after washing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and deep condition. Deep conditioning is very important for every natural, okay? For the deep condition, I'm going to be using the Strength Masque. Now this mask is so thick. This is how you expect every good mask to look like. You want it to be thick because you want it to be able to really penetrate your hair, okay? So I start by sectioning my hair and applying the mask, as you can see. And then I use my fingers to detangle first before I go in with a wide tooth comb. Now the reason why I do this is because using my fingers to detangle reduces the amount of hair that will come out of my hair. So I gently use my fingers and then I go in to use a wide tooth comb. As you can see, I barely have any hair coming out of my hair. I detangle until my hair is very loose. Then I go in to twist my hair up and repeat for all the other sections. The most important thing to do when deep conditioning is to massage your scalp. Please massage your scalp and don't forget your edges as well. It helps to stimulate hair growth. After massaging my scalp and edge, I'm going to put a plastic cover over my head, and today I am going to be using this softwood hood dryer I got from Sally's. Okay, I think I got it for like under 20 bucks. You can check your local Sally's or you can also check Walmart. You might get it there. But I'm going to use this softwood with a dryer on medium heat to add a little heat to my hair. Now the reason why I add a little heat to my hair is because my hair is low porosity, and for products to really penetrate my hair, especially with deep conditioners, I need to add a little bit of heat for the product to activate in my hair properly. So after deep conditioning, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out, and now we are going to style. So to style, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the twist that I made when I deep condition. I'm just gonna unravel the twist, and then I'm going to go in and apply the Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner. I really love this leave-in conditioner. You see how it is? You see the thickness of it? Yes. I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner first, and then I am going to go in and add the Jamaican black castor cream, the styling lotion, as you can see. So I'm going to apply a little bit of the styling lotion after my leave-in. See how creamy it is? I really love this line. This line is it's my favorite line from Shea Moisture. Okay, so I'm going to go in and just add the styling cream to my hair. Make sure that it's really penetrating my hair by using my fingers to run through my hair. Then I'm going to add oil to seal it. Now the oil I'm using is just regular black castor oil, which I will show towards the end of the video when I'm taking out the braid out. So now I'm going to use my wide tooth comb again, comb through, because you want to make sure that when you're doing a twist or a braid out, you want to make sure your hair is tangle free. Okay, it helps for your twist or braid out to come out really well. I'm going to then section my hair into 3 and then braid the hair. Now, one very important thing to consider when you are doing a braid out or a twist out is that make sure you do not borrow hair. Okay, especially as you are braiding or twisting, make sure you do not borrow hair. What I mean by this is that you just use the hair that you started with and you don't borrow additional hair from a different section of the hair. So you're just going to go ahead and braid, and as you get towards the end, make sure to always comb out or brush out your hair because you don't want your hair to be tangled. So I'm going to just go ahead and just finish the braiding and repeat this same method to the other sections of my hair until I am done. Now this is how my hair looks. See how my hair is super moisturized? Yes. Now this is what you want your hair to always be super moisturized. So I allow my hair to dry for 3 days. And to take out my hair, I am going to be using Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to first oil my fingers, and then I am going to apply some of the oil to my braids just to prevent or reduce frizziness. Now this is very common for us 4C naturals. So I make sure I oil the hair, the braids itself, and then oil my fingers properly before taking out the hair. Now when I'm taking out the hair, I'm just going to unravel in the opposite direction. Now, can you see this? See how my hair looks so moisturized and at the same time defined. This is what we want to achieve. Now, I remember when I started my natural hair journey, it was always so difficult for me to achieve any particular hairstyle. Like my hair never turned out right. I didn't know what I was doing. But one thing I've learned over the years is that 1, you need to make sure you're using the right products. 2, you need to make sure whatever style you put in your hair dries completely. Now that is super important for any hairstyle. Okay, now this is how my hair looks. I'm so proud of it. I'm going to then go ahead and then separate the hair. After separating, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my pick and pick out the roots because we want our hair to look more voluminous as compared to just flat. Okay, now the first day it's gonna look a little bit flat, but as days goes on, your hair is gonna start looking more voluminous and voluminous. Now I loved how this turned out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.